Welcome to another episode with Bat Caleb Consulting. This is part two of Common LLC Tax Write-Offs for 2025. We are in another tax season. This one right here, stay tuned, watch the entire video. Some of you are going to be shocked at the write-offs that you're allowed to have. Let's get started. All right, and as always, praise Yahweh. We always begin with a scripture, Matthew 22, verses 20 through 22. And he said unto them, who is this image and this superscription? They said unto him, Caesar's. Then said he unto them, render therefore unto Caesar the things which are Caesar's, and unto God Yahweh the things that are God. They wanted to know, hey, do we pay taxes? And the Messiah said, yes, you have to. Whose image is on the money? And they were like, Caesar's. He was like, okay, so pay Caesar's taxes and pay Yahweh's tithes. Hiring your children. Hiring your kids is a tax strategy that can help you in two ways. First, you can write off the payment you make to them, which reduces your taxes. Secondly, the income can be tax-free to them if you pay them less than the standard deduction. The standard deduction is around $14,000. So if you pay them up to that amount, they'll pay no income tax when they file their tax return. Hire your children for your business. Next, employee salaries and contract labor. Those are deductions. Every dollar paid to anyone providing service for your business, whether employees or contractors, qualifies as a tax deduction for your business. All you have to do is properly document and record your personal expenses. Example, employees, you collect a W-4 form and deduct W-2 wages. Contractors, those are W-9 forms and then issue 1099 at the end of year to deduct their services. Having this documentation is critical to legitimize writing off labor costs. Don't miss out on rightful savings due to missing forms. One thing about taxes, you have to pay them. However, the IRS rewards businesses and they allow you a lot of deductions. You just have to be in the know. You just have to have the knowledge of it. And of course, you can contact us at backcollectconsultant@gmail.com and we can help you. Next, employee benefits program. You'll see people do like, oh, at the end of the year, they'll do employee giveaways, they'll do this, and you're like, oh my gosh, they're so great. No, they're reducing their tax debt. So they give the stuff away so they can deduct that. Employees are expensive. So what they do at the end of the year, they're like, okay, let's go ahead and we'll give them bonuses. Good for you. But if you notice, they'll take taxes out, but it's also a deduction for the company. They also deduct health benefits, educational assistance, flexible spending arrangements, your achievement awards, so much more. You can deduct that. You didn't know that? You can deduct that for your business. Health insurance premiums. As you know, with an entrepreneur, you have to do your own health insurance. If you're not a major company, oh my gosh, you have to pay for your health insurance. But very few people know that they can deduct their health insurance expense. Section 162, in parentheses, 1, I think of it as I, of the tax code allows self-employed individuals to deduct their health insurance premiums. You can write off these premiums 100%. If you don't believe me, go check with IRS. We follow all the laws. I'm a guest in this country, so we follow all of the laws of the land, and that's one of them. Business insurance deduction. Everyone for your business, you have insurance, right? You can deduct various types of business insurance if it's necessary for your business to carry on its operations. Whether it's general liability, property insurance, errors and omissions insurance, or any other type of business insurance, it's likely deductible. Advertising expenses. Oh boy, this is where we spend loads of money. You're talking about marketing. You're talking about Facebook advertising, TikTok advertising, Instagram advertising, Google. The money you spend to promote your business is fully tax deductible and can be used to offset income on your tax return. You just have to keep good records. See, one of the good thing is you are paying out that money to grow your business, and guess what? And the IRS says, all right, go ahead and deduct that expense. Go ahead and deduct it. You have print advertising, newspapers, printing, business cards, all of that can be deducted. It can. You're missing out. Your cell phone. Yes, business cell phones. The device itself, your cell phone service plans, extra storage that's required, any apps that you use for it, you can deduct that. You can deduct it. If you estimate that you use this phone 50% of the time for business, then you deduct 50%. I just so happen to have a personal cell phone and business cell phone. So the business one is 100% deductible. On my personal cell phone, sometimes I get business calls, so that's 50% deductible because I get a lot of calls on there as well. Next, renting your personal residence. Oh yeah, this is the Augusta rule. This write-off is formally referred to as the Augusta strategy. As a business owner, you can rent your personal residence to your business. When you do that, two things happen. The money the business pay you can be used as a tax write-off. The money you receive from the business is tax-free to you as long as you do not do this for more than 14 days in any tax year. So when you have corporate retreats and if you have a mansion or certain a beautiful home, you do a party, you can have the corporate retreat at your home and for 14 days your company pay you to use the home. Hey, I'm just saying, I'm letting you know. If you don't understand it clearly, contact us at consultant at barcalibconsultant.com or barcalibconsultant@gmail.com. This is the channel you want to like, share, and subscribe and keep watching. Next, utilities expense. Similar to rentals, you can also deduct utility expense, the stuff that's incurred to connect your business rental. You're talking about Wi-Fi, electricity, gas, water, trash, all your utilities for your businesses. So people go ahead and they're like, oh my gosh, the wealthy is the one, they don't pay any taxes. Hello. These are not loopholes. This is what the IRS put out there for you as an entrepreneur, as a business owner that say, hey, because you're working so hard, you have a business and you are producing goods for society, you are employing people, you know what? Go ahead and deduct your utility expenses. There's so many expenses that the IRS say that you can deduct. The deductions covered so far are related to expenses you already incur. However, you can create deductions through strategic spending. There's so much more deductions. If I was to do it, I would be doing like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos on it. Reinvesting funds into business growth opportunities can reduce your taxes while expanding your business. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. Contact Bacaleb Consulting. We can help you. The real Bacaleb Consulting. Consultant at bacalebconsulting.com. Bacalebconsulting at gmail.com. We can assist you. Like, share, subscribe. If you already know some of this, if it's something that you think I miss, it's like hundreds of deductions. Go ahead and comment it. If it's something that you're not sure about, you can put it in the comments and we'll answer it. Here's our information again. You can sign up with us. I'm doing free 5 minute sessions where it's like for 5 minutes, hey, I can let you know, give you a business strategy or analyze your business, analyze your income, and let you know where you're at. Also, we have an import export food company. So if you're in a restaurant business, you can contact us. Here's all of the information. Glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh, shalom.